Hello everyone, welcome back to our weekly Nifty analysis. And we drew these lines last week in our last week's Nifty analysis, the trend lines, the horizontal levels, and we had come to the realization that this red line is going to be our weekly support, as this was the Nifty's trend line support for this week. Nifty has performed amazingly this week, yet again making another weekly all-time high, and this was our breakout candle for previous week. This is a medium-term, 1-year-old trend line, and it gave a breakout right here with a big gap up opening. And I was afraid personally that this gap will get filled if this level gets broken. But fortunately, this level was not broken this week. In fact, it opened here, it went a little up, it came down the next couple of days till almost 20,700. The lowest was 20,769 and our level was 20,690. So 20,690 was our first support for weekly candle. Thankfully, it was never even touched and the Nifty continued to grow. If we see now what is the scenario, we have to basically find new supports if we not need to see where Nifty can stop if it comes down again. So the first level I'm going to draw is going to be this level, the high of last week. This is 20,000, 21,006. It even feels amazing saying 21,000. And 21,006 is going to be our first support. And then we are going to move this support to current week's candle. So it is going to be somewhere here. And we'll just get it on the trend line. Let's make it a round number, 20,730. This is an approximate level of the trend line support because this week's candle will form right here, and this is the point where it touches this trend line. So our first support is the top of last week's candle, which is 21,006, and second support is going to be 20,730. So if Nifty continues to grow, all we need to do is continue to follow it with our moving averages. Our 10 EMA is very far off. 10 EMA is 20,200 on the weekly time frame. So if Nifty comes back down, it is going to be quick, and this is going to be our safe zone. The major support is 20,200 something. Now, if it continues to go up, we can continue to trail it with our stop losses. But if it comes down below 20,000, 21,016, this is going to be our next target. Next target is going to be this 20,507, and then there can be a quick gap filling if it breaks 20,507. This is the weekly assessment of Nifty 50. Be careful out there. Thank you very much.